Okay, this video we're going to look at the book Sin Bronntanas Seafoideach. This is part of a really excellent series of books published by Futa Fata, who I really recommend for Irish books. Let's start. Mo vrela. Is fualam dini a bheith ag scradial. Margin tá trúr acu ann. Brethla sunna a bhaire trasa. Tógaigí go bogé lever dul. Tá súlagam bhfuil Bronntanas ceart acu dom. Béirín beag a fuair mé anuraí. Ditse sa sibéal ag síne a méire I dro an chúl dorais. Tá pol I mun an dorais, pol beag agus clúdach pláisteach air. Ba ghurasín féin sa dad. Ma ghurasín brúan dad an dorasín. Dorasín, oscailíonn sé plub, anis is féidir leat teacht agus imeacht as de stúm féin. Plub amach lum, plab is teach arís, a le hé de Bronntanas Seafoideach. Ban tríal as le a thuil sa sibéal. Mé féin a bhrú tríd an dorasín amaideach sin, an gapan sibh gur luch mé. Chuci mé isteach an doras nós gach aine eile. Agus a chlóigh sibse an doras dom. Miawa le dul amach, miú le teacht isteach. Níl sé sin casta inis an bhfuil. Casam hart agus siúlam lum. Tá dad le ceangal. Tá rogha agat a chatín. Ban úsáid as de ghurasín anis díreach, nó ní raci tú amach a rís go deo. Brethla sunna mahón. If it's not obvious, it's the cat speaking in this story. So let's go back. This is the end of the first chapter. Let's go back and go through it for meaning. So Mo Vretla, my birthday. Vret literally means to bear day, birthday. And it has a H here, has an addition because of the word Mo. Any word after Mo will always be lenited. Same with the, same with a when it means his. Is fualam. I hate. So ismachlam I like, isfualam I hate. I hate people to be screaming, excradia. It's kind of equivalent in English. I hate when people are screaming. I hate people to be screaming. And in the morning, tá trúr acu. There are three of them there. There are three of them at it. Brethla sunna, happy birthday, a bhaire trasa. So bhaire trasa is the name of the cat we can see here being woken up in the picture. Tógaigí go bogé. So this is the, tog is the verb to take, and this is in the command form, the imperative form. So tog would just be if you're speaking to one person, but the cat is talking to multiple people. Therefore, we have the plural command form. So tógaigí. Go bog, so softly, take it softly, calm down basically. Lever dul. So again, leather hull would be please or with your will to a single person, but she's talking to multiple people, so it'll be with your plural dull. And after the word ver, you'll have a uru. Just like in the previous page we had after mu, which is my, you have shevu, and after your, which is another possessive adjective, you'll have the uru. Tá súlagam, I have I, which means I expect, go will, that go will Bronntanas ceart acu, that they have a right present, a good present for me. Béirín beag, a little package, a fuair mé anuraí, that I got last year. So kind of implying last year I only got a little package. Ditse, so ditch comes from like diagwich, for you, ditse, for you, emphasized, said sibéal. Ag síne a méire. Síne is extend, so ag síne extending her finger, idro, in direction on chúl doras, in direction of the back door. So this is in the genitive here because it's in the direction of something. So there's a genitive form of chúl doras. That's why we have the I here. In Irish you can't really point, so you have to extend your finger in the direction of something. You'll notice here now this is the one possessive adjective, a, when it means her, that doesn't have any mutation of the next word. So we had mo vretla, so mo the a had shevu, whereas the plural ones are, vor, and a have uru, and this one, meaning hers, has nothing. Tá pull I mun an durish. So a hole is in bottom of the door. Again, this is genitive. We have the I here. And in English, you'll notice it would be, there's a hole is in the bottom of the door. In Irish, that first the bottom would be excluded. So it'd just be a hole is in bottom of the door. Pull beag, a small hole, agus clúdach plastic air, and a plastic cover on it. The churashin fame. Again, here we have the possessive adjective the, so the next word has shevu, so your little door self, your own little door, said Dad. My own little door, so again, this is using the diminutive here at the end, een, so churashin fame. The reason this has an I suddenly is because it has to balance the I here in the een. So it's not a genitive form, it just needs to balance the I. Brew and Dad an thurshin. Dad pushes on the door. Usklian she. It opens. Plub, just onomatopoeia. Now, inish is feidlat, you can, or it's possible with you. Chocht, come, agus imocht, and go, as the stum fein, for yourself. Plub, amachlam. So out I go. Plab is jacarit, back in again. A Futa Bronntanas Seafoideach. A lahéada is a kind of expression in Irish. It means what a or such a. Bronntanas, present. Seafoideach, rubbish or nonsensical. So what a nonsensical present. Ban trial as ledaho. So in Irish, you can't try something out. You have to obtain a trial of it or out of it. So ban is kind of get or obtain. Trial as. As here meaning out of it. Ledaho, with your will, or please. Erse shibel. May fein avru trid an durishin amaduksin, myself to push through that silly small door. So you see here durishin amaduk is surrounded by an and shin, which means that. So it becomes that. So the stupid door there, which in English becomes that stupid door. And gapin shiv. So cap here is the verb to think. Capin, do think. And shiv is you plural, we say ye. So do ye think? And here's the question form. Yeah, so do ye think gur luch me that I am a mouse? This is a subordinate clause here. So if you were just saying I am a mouse, you would say is luch me. But when it becomes a part of a subordinate clause, is becomes gur. So on gapin shiv, you can't say on gapin shiv is luch me. On gapin shiv gur luch me. On to the final page in the chapter now. I apologize here about the resolution. Chucky may is Jacan Duras. So Chucky may, I will come, is Jacan Duras, in the door. Nos basically means like or in the guise of or similar to. Gach inye ella, every person else, everyone else. Agus skloi shivshe, and ye plural or y'all plural, not plural, sorry, emphasized. Will open, so this is the future form here. We have the two endings here, faidh, and chucky because it's a one syllable verb, and uskul is a two syllable verb, so that's why I have this ending, o fata idh. It's the other future suffix. And y'all will open the duris dum for me. So when you say your name, for example, you say is anam dum, something is Gil's name for me. So here for me again. Meow is just meow. Le dalamach, to go out. So le here doesn't mean with, but it means like in order to go out. Miu le chak chak, in order to come inside. Nil shishin kasta, that is not difficult or twisted literally. Now, on will, is it? Kasam heart agus shulam lum. Kasam heart, so this is the synthetic form. So instead of saying kasam may heart, we absorb the may into the verb. It's completely optional. I turn around. Agus shulam lum, again a synthetic form here. You could say shulan may lum, and I walk with me. It's like I walk off. Ta dad le kangal, that is to be tied. It kind of means beside himself with anger. Ta rawa agat, a choice is at you. You have a choice. Achatin, little cat. And we're using the vocative case here because he's directly addressing the cat. Ban usad, obtain use out of your little door. Now directly. Ban usad as the ghurasin Anish Dira, now directly, immediately. No, or Ni Rocky to, you won't go. Amok, out. Arish, again, good Joe, ever. No, Ni Rocky to Amok, Arish, good Joe. Bretlaw, and this is the cat replying, Bretlaw, Sunna, happy birthday, Mahone. Tone is ass, Mahone, my ass. Alright, hope you enjoyed it. Thank you very much.